Need to update your email on Tinder? Here's how to do it. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner to go to settings. Scroll down until you see email section. Once you find it, tap on it to change your email address. Now, delete the previous one and enter a new email. Then confirm it. Once that's done, tap save and your email will be updated. If you are unable to update your email, ensure that you are logged into your Tinder account properly or check for any restrictions. And that's it. Your Tinder email is now updated. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.